Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Susruta Samhita Uttara Tantram. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 18 Kriya Kalpa Adhyaya Preparation and Medicinal Measures for Ocular Affection in General. Part 2 Pudapaga Pudapagastadeteshu. The Pudapaga measure should be applied in the aforesaid cases. Nasyam Yeshu Chagarhitam. Tarpanarha na ye proktaha snehapana akshamascha ye. The Pudapaga is not applicable in cases where nasya, tarpana and internal application of snehapana are forbidden. Tadaha prashanta dosheshu Pudapaga kshemeshu cha Pudapagaha prayoktavyo netreshu bishaja bhavet. After a complete subsidence of dosha, the Pudapaga should be applied to the eye in cases where the patient would be found capable of being treated with it. Snehano Lekhaniyascha Robaniyascha sa tritha. The Pudapaga measure may be divided into three classes, viz. Snehana emulsive, Lekhana scrapping and Robana healing. Hitaha Snigdho Adhirukshasya. The Snehana Pudapaga is recommended in cases marked by extreme dryness of the affected organ. Snigdhasya abhi cha lekanaha. Lekana ones are efficacious in cases of excessive applications of the sneha to the eye. Drishter balartam abharaha pitta asrak vrana vadanut. While the eyesight is strengthened by the Robana Pudapaga, which restore the Vada, Pitta and the blood of the affected locality to their natural condition and consequently heals the ulcer, Pitta Asrak Vrana Vada Nut. So Pudapaga can be classified into three: Snehana, Lekhana, Robana. Snehana is used in Adhiruksha condition, Lekhana in Adhisnigdha, Robana is Drishtibala and Pitta Asrak Vrana Vada Nut. Preparation of Snehana, Lekhana and Robana Pudapagas. Sneha, Mamsa, Vasa, Majja, Medaha, Swadu, Aushadaihi, Kridaha. The Sneha Pudapaga should be prepared with flesh of animals, frequently in marshy places abounding in Sneha, and with Vasa, Majja and Medas and drugs of Madura group. Snehanaha Pudapagastu Dharyo Dve Vakshade tu Saha. It should be written in the eye so long as one would take to utter 200 syllables. Jankalanam Yagrat Mamsalaihi Lekhana Drevya Sampradaihi. Lekhana Pudapaga should be prepared with the flesh and liver of an animal of Jankala species and the drug possessing the Lekhana or scrapping property, such as Krishnaloha, Raja, Tamra, Shanka, Vidruma, Sindhujaihi. That is, powders of black iron, Krishnaloha, Raja, Tamra, copper, Shanka, conch shell, Vidruma, coral, Sindhuja, Saindava, salt. Also, Samudrafena, Kasisa, Sroda Oja, Dadi, Mastu Bihi. Samudrafena, Kasisa, that is sulfate of iron, Srodo Anchana, pasted together with Dadi Mastu, cream of curd. Lekhano Vakshadam Tasya Param Dharana Muchyate. The affected locality should be exposed to a Lekhana Pudapaga as long as one would take to utter 100 syllables at most. Stanya, Jangala, Madhu, Ajya, Tikta, Drevya, Vipajitaha, Lekhana, Trigunam Daryaha, Pudapagastu Robanaha. The healing or Robana Pudapaga should be prepared by cooking the flesh of an animal of Jankala group with Stanya, breast milk, Madhu, honey, clarified butter, Ajya, And the bitter drug, Tikta, should be written in the affected eye for a period of 3 times or as much as Legana Pudabhaga should be written. Trigunam Legana, that is for a period as long as one would require to utter 300 syllables. So for Snehana, Sneha Mamsa Vasa Majjamedaha Swadu Aushadaihi. Daryo Dvi Vakshate. Legana Jangalanam Yagrat Mamsaihi Krishnaloha Raja Tamra Shanga Vidruma Sindhujaihi Samudra Fena Kasisa Srodoja Dedi Mastubihi. And Darye Vakshatam. Robana Stanya Jangala Madhva Ajya Tikta Drevya Vipachitaha and Darye Legana Trigunam Dariha, that is Trishat, Trivakshat. Vidaret Tarpanoktam tu Dhumam Hitva tu Robanam Snehasvedo Dvayoho Karyo Naiva Charobane. The fumigating measures mentioned in connection with Tarpana of an affected eye as well as the application of Sneha and Sveda should be resorted to in the cases of application of Pudabhaga measure, except in case of application of Robana Pudabhaga. Ekaham va, dvayaham va abhi, trayaham va abhi, avacharanam. Pudabhaga application may be made on one day only or may be continued for 2 or 3 days. Yandrana tu kriya kalad dvigunam kalamishyade. A strict regimen of diet and conduct should be observed for a period of twice as long as the preparatory period, that is the beginning with the time of administering the sneha to the patient for prepare him for the application of Pudabhaga till time of actually administering the Pudabhaga itself. Satisfactory, excessive and defective application of Pudabhaga. Tejamsi Anilamakasham Adarsham Baswarani cha Neksheta Tarpide Netre Pudabhaga Kride Tatha. After the application of Tarpana and Pudabhaga to affected eye, the patient should not catch glimpses of the light, Tejamsi, fire, Anila, sky, Akasha, looking glass or any other luminous object, Adarsham Baswarani cha. No, he should expose the eye to the blast of the wind. Mithyopacharat anayoryo vyadhirupachayate Anjana Ashodana Svedaihi Yathasvam Tamupacharet. The unfavorable symptoms incidental to and induced by an infringement of the rule, that is a mithyopachara, after the application of these two, Tarpana and Pudabhaga measure, should be remedied with application of Anjana, Ashodana, Sveda to the deranged bodily dosha underlying each particular case. That is, treatment of the Mithyopachara is Anjana, Ashodana and Sveda. Samyak Yoga Prasanna Varnam Vishadam Vada Adaba Saham Leku Sukha Swapnava Bodha Akshi Pudabhaga Gunanvidam. Freshness and clearness of the color of the cornea, Prasanna Varnam. Capability of the organ to bear heat, light, wind, Vada Adaba Saham Legu. Refreshing sleep, Sukha Swapna. An unembarrassed gladsome awakening and a lightness of the organ are the benefits which are derived from Samyak Yoga or satisfactory Pudabhaga application. Adi Yoga Drujaha Shobhaha Pidagaha Timirodgamaha. Darkness of vision, pain, Rujaha, swelling of the eye, Shobha, and the appearance of eruption, Pidaga, in the affected organ are the evils which mark an excessive application of the Pudabhaga measure. Ayoga or Hina Yoga Pago Asro Harshanam Cha Abhihini Doshadgamaha Tatha. While suppuration, Pagam, lacrimation of eye, Asro, thrilling sensation, Harsha, in the affected organ, as well as further aggravation of dosha, are the characteristic feature of deficient, that is Ayoga or Hina Yoga of Pudabhaga application. So samyak lakshana prasanna varna vishadam vada adabasaham leku sukha swapnavabodham akshi. Adiyoga druchaha shopaha pidaga timirodgamaha. Ayoga pago asru harshanam doshadgamaha tatha. Mode of preparing Pudapaga. Adha urdhvam pravekshyami Pudapaga prasadhanam. Now I shall describe the mode of preparing a Pudapaga remedy. Dvau vilvamatrau slakshanasya pindau mamsasya pekshitau. Dravyanam vilvamatram tu dravanam kudavo madaha. 2 vilva measures of cleansed and pasted meat. 1 pala measure of medicinal drugs pasted together. 1 kudava measure of liquid ingredients should be mixed together and made into a ball. Tadegadyam Samalodhya patraihi Supariveshtitam Kashmiri Kumuda Eranda Patmini Kadhali Bavaihi Murdvalipta Mangarehi Khadireihi Ava Kulayed Kadaga Ashmandaga Eranda Padala Vrisha Badharaihi Sakshira Drumakashtaihi Va Gomayehi Va Abhi Yuktidaha. Well covered with leaves of Kadhali, Kashmiri, Eranda, Kumuda or of Patma plant. Coated with clay. It should be duly scotched in the burning charcoal of Katachu wood, that is Kadhira, or in that of Kadaga, Ashmandaga, Eranda, Padala, Vashaka, Badhara, Kshira, or in the fire of dried cakes of cow dung. Svinna Mudritya. When well cooked, the ball should be taken out of the fire and broken and its content withdrawn and squeezed. Nishpidya rasamadhaya tam nranam tarpanoktena vidhina yadavat avacharayet. The fluid extract should then be collected and applied in the manner of applying a tarpana. Kaninake nishechyaha syan nityamuttana shayinaha. The patient being laid on his back at this time. Rekte, pitte, chatau, shitau. The fluid extract in both cases, that is Tarpana and Pudapaga, should be dropped cold into the kaninaka of the eye in case of derangement of blood and pitta. Koshnau vada kababaho. It should be used lukewarm when the vayu and kaba would be found to have been aggravated. Temperature of Pudapaga or Tarpana Dravya. In Rekta Pitte, Shitau. In Vada Kababaho, Koshnau. Atyushna Tikshnau Sadadam Dahapaga Karau Smritau. A burning sensation in the affective eye, as well as its consecutional inflammation, would result from the use of too hot or strong or keen potenced extract for purpose. Aplutau Sheetalau Cha Asru Stamba Ruk Garshakaragau. Thrilling sensation, harsha, pain, and numbness in the locality, and lacrimation from the affected organ originate from the use of cold, mild potency, Pudapaga or Tarpana eye drop. Adimatrau, Kashayatva, Sangoja, Swaranavahau. Redness and contraction of the eye attended with a jerking, throbbing sensation therein are the effects of an excessive application of Pudapaga and Tarpana. Hina pramanau doshanam utklesha jananau brisham. Whereas deficient use of them produce aggravation of the deranged bodily dosha in the locality. Yuktav kridau daha shobha rukkarsha sravadashanau. Kandoba deha dushika rektaraji vinashanau. Properly applied they allay the burning and itchy sensation, daham, swelling, shobham, pain, ruk, lacrimation and mucus secretion, the karsha, srava, nashanau, as well as clotting and redness in the affective eye, kandu, dushika, rektaraji, vinashanau. Tasmat pariharan doshan vidyat tau sugavahau. As everyone is desirous of avoiding aggravation of dosha, so Pudabhaga and Tarpana measure should be applied in such a way as would give health and happiness to the eye. If the dravya is atyushna tekshna, then there will be sadadam daha pagakarau. If the dravya is apluda sheetalau, then there will be asru stamba rukka garshakarakam. If it is adhimatram kashayatva sankoja swaranavaho. In hina pramanam doshanam utklesha chananau. If it is suitable, that is yuktav kridau daha shobha rukkarsha srava nashanau kandopadeha dushika rektaraji vinashanau. Vyapadascha yatha dosham nasya dhuma anjanaihi chayed. The defect resulted by cause of injudicious application of Pudabhaga and Tarpana are to be remedied with application of Nasya, Dhuma and Anjana remedial to the specific deranged bodily dosha or doshas involved in each case. In Pudabhaga or Tarpana Vyabhat, the treatment is Nasya, Dhuma or Anjana according to the dosha. Adi andayoho cha abhi anayoho sweda ushnambu chailikaha. The affected eye should be fermented before the use of a Pudabhaga or Tarpana procedure with a piece of cloth soaked in hot water. Tadha hido avasane cha dhumaha sleshma samuchridau. Fumigation of the affected organ in the end should be prescribed in a case marked by an aggravation of deranged kapha of the locality. So thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. Thank you.